Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson 48, and this one is in vivid black. There's been a lot of cool things done to this bike, starting with the tires. We have white walls, which look really sharp on this. We also have the Vans and Hine pipes. These guys are loud. We have rider and passenger pegs. So rider and passenger. These look pretty cool actually. We have a nice intake. And then we have a front fairing and the lower mirrors mounted with this really cool perch. We've got the Arlen-S grips, phone mount, the lapel seat, and then over on this side, a really cool derby cover. Kind of looks like a speaker. Again, this is a 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48. Come check it out, come ride it. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.